Hi everyone, welcome. Today, on Saturday, June the 13th, 2020. Yeah, I didn't expect it, but we have an additional with several Sudokus. And in this case, we have a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, a binary and a tectonic. So 6 Sudokus to solve on Saturday. Last Saturday and the Saturday before, the week before, they stopped with publishing the extra Sudokus, the additional, on Saturday. So, yeah, I was surprised today. So, surprised because they have printed the extra Sudokus on Saturday. So, are you pleased? Am I pleased? I do not know, because extra work, extra time to upload it and to solve it. Anyway, let's start with the first one. The first one is a Sudoku with 1 star. So let's get started. Alright. I see here in this row 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then we have an 8 in this row and 8 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Then we have a, let me see. No. 2, 4, 6. No. How about the number? Yes. In this column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in this box. Here also a 7, no 7 in that box. There are 7, no 7 in this box. 1 box is left for the 7, should be this one. Alright. How about 4, 2, and 8? Yes. These 3 numbers in the third column, the missing numbers here are the 2, the 4, and the 3. 2, 4, 3. 2, 4, 3. And we see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 2 and the 4 are left. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 4. How about the number 7? Well. we have a we have a pair, and you can see this 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. And how about the 4? I see here 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. There are 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 and the 4 are left for these 2 boxes. 2 and the 4. That means the other 3 numbers are the numbers 9, the 8, and the 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The other, the 9 and the 8, we see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 boxes left in the third row. The 2 boxes with the numbers 1 and 5, we see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And then six. All right. How about how about the 9 in this column, the 9 in the column next? So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Yeah. And then these 3 numbers in this column. The missing numbers here are the 1, the 2, and the 6. We see here the 1 and the 6, so 1 digit left for the 2. 1 and 6 goes there. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 1. No. How about the number 3, 2. These 2 numbers then in the last column for the numbers 5 and 7. 5 and 7. Can I fill this yet? No. Need to wait. Then Okay. Let me see. Well. Yes, 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. Here also 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And we have a pair. Yeah. Look in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in this box. There are 6, so no 6 in those two boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. The same with the 8. 8 we have here. So no 8 in these two boxes. There an 8, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 could be here or could be there. We have an 8 in this column. We have an 8 in that column, so in the middle column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. I mark them because we have a pair. We have a 6 in this column, a 6 in one of those two boxes in that column, so in the middle column, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. Together with the 8, a pair, 8 and 6, 8 and 6. That means the other two numbers in the middle column are the numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And then we have two numbers left in the last row. The numbers 7 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for a 7 should be here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And I have marked those two boxes with the 6. One box left for the 6 should be here. The other two boxes are reserved for the 8 and the 1 in this big square. Yes. How about these two numbers in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4? I cannot fill this yet. And these two boxes in this big square, the 2 and the 4, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 7. 7 is missing here. These two numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. No, 4 we have 2 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these two boxes. One box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6 is missing and the 9 is missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there, and the 6 goes there. One number left in the first column for the number 9. We have the 8. The 8 is missing, and now we have an 8 here. That means I have marked those two boxes with the 8 and a 6. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 6 and the 9. Now we have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. The numbers are the 9 and the 4. 9 and the 4, we have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 3 and the 5 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row should be the 3 and the 6. No, 6 we have. 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. Here we have, no, YF. This should be 1, 2, 3 and the 7. 3 and a 7 are left. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 3 goes there. Made a mistake. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 already. Alright. So, here the 3 and the 6 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3. No, 3, the 6 we already have. Stupid, I'm stupid. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4. This should be the 2. 2 numbers left in the middle column. 281. 281. Anyway, we have a 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. The 8 and the 1 are left. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1 and the final 2 numbers of this big square. The numbers 8 and 5. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. You like this? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku. So be patient and see you later. Bye bye for now.